Gevonnie he's a character. He's a joy. Listen, there's always sunshine when he's around. He just loves life.
Yeah, he loves everything. He loves people. He loves sports. He loves to sing and dance too.
My favorite sport is like bowling, basketball, and I do like a bit of baseball.
He's an entertainer. He was in Pasadena first play at Bradley Middle School.
Oh my God, yes, I did. Well, I think when I first met Miss Armand, well, she was a great as a teacher. She taught me everything, and my singing was my passion. You know, I sing, I want to make magic. That's why I've been doing that.
Everybody at the school knows Gevonnie. I'm like, how? Because I'm like, how do they know you, Gevonnie? He's saying, Mom, I'm popular.
I am popular.
He loves to help people out too, so
yeah.
That's the thing that I love about him. And with Special Olympics, it allowed him to help other kids out, and he felt like a leader.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of growth, and I think Special Olympics has a lot to do with that, because it got him an opportunity to be out and do things and be out in the communities. It was programs like this that helped navigate a lot of things, and I found out about a lot of opportunities and services that were out there for him.
It opened my mind to be more receptive to those who have special needs.
Somebody might look at him and see a disability, and I see all possibilities.